That's pretty slick.
It's not singing, it's broken. It's broken. It's supposed to be going dun 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 dun.
Happy birthday to you.
Malfunction.
Your cake is all ruined now.
Jamie, look
Eat
at
some cake and eat some candle wax too.
I can't believe the thing didn't sing. We couldn't get the other one to stop singing.
That hum is really annoying, right?
It won't stop either until you freak out on it.
It's getting low.
It says cut the red wire, but it looks like it's already cut. That's probably why it didn't sing. I think I got another one in the closet.
I think it's an antique. I don't know anything about it. Okay. But it's got this crazy
One out of 3 works.
I'll try.
That was pretty cool. How much?
It was buy one get 2 free, so I think it was $3.99 for 3 of them.
Hey.
How long does this thing? The whole song?
Till the battery dies, or you cut that wire.
That's pretty neat though.